Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to enable or how to disable feature when you see motion blur, when awareness starting to blur when you in the move. To do that, we should enable motion blur feature. Maybe it can it can enhance your game experience, but if you don't have good specification of your PC, you can see more lags than blurs. This is the one thing, and the second one, so sometimes it's more difficult to play with this setting, but of course it's beautiful. So you can enable motion blur, then click escape, and cool, motion blur was successfully enabled. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.